Good evening, everybody. Welcome to the channel. Of course, I'm on my way home from work again. So I keep getting this question answered. I keep getting this question asked, and I need to answer it. What is this stuff on my handlebars? A lot of people ask me, what kind of phone mount is this? This is a quad lock phone mount. I'll show you here in a minute. I got to stop and get gas in this thing. Down to 2 bars. Quad lock phone mount. That's the best phone mount I have ever had. I mean, and I got the vibration dampener. They say that a lot of these uh, mounting the phone on your handlebars, especially like the iPhone, that you can damage the gyro or whatever, the image stabilization in this phone. I never had that happen on any of my phones, but when I got this bike, I got this quad lock for my iPhone 13 Pro Max, and never had a problem. I mean, I've been off-roading in this thing with this phone. It works super. You can see that it moves like that. It's got a little bit of movement. That's because the rubber mounts on here make it where it can flex instead of being mounted solid. Taking it off is super. You just push this little button, put it back on, clips on. Quad lock. I will post a link to this below where you can get it just from Quad Lock, and use my code and you'll get, I forget what it is, but you get pretty good percentage off using my code below in the description. But that's the Quad Lock phone mount. This other stuff is like ram balls. I got a 1-inch ram ball here, one over here, and that's just so I can mount different kinds of things like this. This is on a ram mount too. And then of course I got my Thinkware M1 Motorsports cam over here. There's also a rear one. The remote for it's right over here. So that's the remote for it. But yeah, that's about all I got on my handlebars. Other than I just got these double take mirrors not too long ago. But we have got to get fuel. It's in premium, no ethanol. That's what I run in this thing. And it does a good job. So let me show you this quad lock a little better. So like I said, you just push down this little tab, turn it, it locks on. There's all kinds of other copies and stuff, but I've tried a few, and this one by far is the best, the quad lock. Just go with it. This is also a quad lock case. You can get an actual mount that will go back on the back of your phone. They make the case in black. You can get a different color ring in here. This is the case it's made to charge to. It's got the MagSafe in it, so you can actually get one that clips on here and it'll charge. I just put this on my Jeep. I have with a MagSafe quad lock on my Jeep, and I can just stick it up on the dash. You don't have to twist lock it or nothing, and it charges the phone up. Over here is the quad lock. You see these 3 rubber mounts right here, so it gives it flex. It's also mounted with a ram ball. You can adjust it wherever you want. I could actually put it on this one or this one over here. I usually just keep it on this one right there in front of me, and that's about the right angle that I want. So it works pretty good. But quad lock, I'm gonna put some fuel in this thing and get onto the house. But that's just telling you guys what I have on my handlebars. Basically just a few ram balls. I got the double take mirrors, and I got this Thinkware M1 dash cam. There's the remote I was telling you about. I don't know if you can see it when I was riding, but this is the best dash cam that I've ever had. I've had lots of them. I've tried probably about 20 different dash cams for motorcycles, and this one by far, to me, is the best. The Thinkware M1. So very good dash cam, very good phone mount, the best in my opinion of everything I've tried. So like I said, link below. You go to their website, you use my code below, click on it, and they'll give you a code. The other link, I'll post it all down there, and you get a discount. And definitely, if you want a good phone mount for your motorcycle of any kind or your vehicle, quad lock is the way to go. Thank you guys for watching. Click the thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. Catch you on the next one. Right on.